Alright guys, today's the 15th of November. This is going to be the trade plan for the 16th. Going into tomorrow's session, obviously Monday, we are going to be looking for the point of control on all the indices as our line in the sand. Right above it, we're going to be bullish. Below it, we're going to be bearish. Okay, if we take a look at Friday's session, we can see that there wasn't really that much um, interesting action. It was pretty slow. I didn't trade personally at all. I didn't take any trades on Friday. Um, so yeah, it just kind of goes to show how slow it was and how how quiet it was. So anyways, we're gonna be looking, like I mentioned, we're looking at the point of control. Okay, as you can see, we cleared out the imbalances over here. Imbalances like to be filled. Okay, so whenever you have an imbalance in price, usually they get filled. So the imbalance started down here at at 35.57, all the way up here to 35.80. So this whole area you were expecting to fill and rotate around, which is exactly what happened. We got some rotation, we filled it in. Okay, no problem there. Okay, so this usually is what happens whenever you have an imbalance. So whenever you see that, just expect rotation and the price to kind of fill all the way in. Okay, so we're going to be marking out the point of control for Friday's session. Above, we are bullish. Alright, perfect. That's it for the ES. There's really nothing else going on here. There's no other references that we want to take note. Everything else is pretty much the same. Point of control above, point of control below, poor low, another point of control, low of day, another point of control. Okay, so this is going to be pretty much it in terms of references, and obviously high of day up here. Okay, so I'll let you guys take a screenshot, pause the video, copy down the levels, however you might want. Moving on to the NASDAQ, the NQ. Okay, we're going to move over the point of control. Gonna move that over to here. Perfect. Okay, we have a poor low there. Okay, and also again um we have no other references. Okay, let me mark out this XS here. That is a pretty good reference. Actually, XS. XS is just telling us that these guys here were very aggressive. So if prices do come back to this area, you should see them defend. Okay, and it just kind of coincides with this poor low. So we're just going to extend this lower. To the left. Okay, so again, if prices come down from here for whatever reason, you should see this area being defended, right? Because these guys are very aggressive. And so if prices come back, aggressive buyers are likely to defend. So that's what you expect. And again, that's pretty much it. Above, there's a point of control and the poor high, and then another poor high. So this is all the levels we have. Above and below, we have these. So again, take a screenshot, pause the video, however you want. Now, last but not least, we've got the YM. Okay, we took over the poor high. We tested that, or at least we traded through the point of control here. We move this over. Above it. Above, we are bullish. Below here, poor low. Okay, also poor lows are likely to be tested. That means incomplete auction to the downside. Okay, so if prices overnight don't completely get out of hand, prices are likely to stay, right? If prices are close to a poor low or poor high, there's a very high chance that they continue going down to complete the auction below, right? If prices are higher and way too far away, then the chances are less. Okay, so it kind of works like that. As the closer the prices are, the more likely they are. The least or the less close they are, the farther away they are, the less chances it is that they get traded back. Okay, so we're gonna keep the same levels from Friday and above. Again, we have an excess area, and that's pretty much it. There's really not much going on. Um, Hopefully this week ahead of us brings a little more interesting action. Um, in this kind of uh, economic and political situation we have right now, anything can happen at any minute. So it's there's a lot of volatility in that aspect. So just gotta hope that things pick up a little more. Hopefully um, at no cost to anyone else. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments or join the Discord if you haven't already. There's a link in the description. Also, if you guys could, please like the video, it helps a lot, and subscribe if you haven't. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.